Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. I just wanted to kind of prove a fact that this is a oval and not a circle, and the reason it doesn't look the same is because these are getting progressively bigger. So if you did it with a true circle, so I've got a true circle set up here, I'm going to change my rotation to the center of the object, and I'm going to rotate exactly the same, 9.61 and 12 of them. Now every one of them is identical. Let me take away the indexing line so you can kind of see that better. Every one of them is equal because it's a circle, and it's divisible by that same amount what we had left over. So that, you know, if the gentleman's doing it, you might want to start out with a circle if you need them to be perfect like that. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.